course tour of section 805 and 806 of Composition 1. I wanted to give you a quick overview of everything that's going on in Blackboard, and you will notice that when you come in, you are on this page. This is the assignments page because I think that is really all you matters to you and you want to know what you have to do and when you have to do it. So you come in here, you go into the welcome folder, as you hopefully have already done. The welcome folder, as you can see, has a welcome to the course, the syllabus, and some discussions. I would like you to answer these as soon as you can, but I have a deadline of next Wednesday, or this Wednesday, upcoming Wednesday of this week, week 1, to do discussion. If you have not done this before, you click on discussion, and then you'll see that other people have posted, me. You click on create thread, and the prompt will come up in the top. You have to enter a subject, and then you can type it directly in here. Some students have experienced some difficulties of losing something, so they recommend either typing in Google Docs or a Word document or text editor or something like that, and then pasting it into here. Don't add it as an attachment, please, because that means everyone has to do double clicks. We just want to see it and read it. And then that will allow you to submit it. Then you click on submit. Do not click save draft. Click the submit button, and then it will be posted. Then you'll be able to see everybody else's work. You can click on the blue and it'll take you there. So there's kind of getting to know you discussions at the very beginning, kind of just a little icebreaker in a way. That's not the stupid 2 truths and a lie sort of thing. Then there's a Q&A. I like to read through this. I like to understand a little bit who you are and then ask me some questions. I'm asking you to send me an email, so that's important. That lets me know that you know how to use the email, because that's my only way to contact you outside of this course. So that's what we're doing in week 1. We can go right back to the assignments folder. You will see that I have office hours. This is going to take you to a Zoom link. I hope it'll work for you. I do have 2 things in here. If it doesn't work, please let me know. But my office hours Mondays and Wednesdays, and Tuesdays and Thursdays, or we can schedule a time. After that, you'll see everything down here. I have a list of major writing assignments, descriptions, how to submit it to turn it in, and then everything is based by the week. You'll see if you click on week 1, I have a to-do list, and then this is taken directly from the syllabus, and that's where we are. Then there's links to every single assignment, whether it's a reading assignment, a textbook assignment, a discussion board. So everything you need is right here in the week. You don't have to go over to the tools or anything like that. I'm trying to make it as simple and easy as possible to navigate. So I hope you'll find it that way. If not, please let me know and I can work on adjusting things. Like I said, everything takes you to a link or anything like that. I also have the dates that things are due for this week. So Wednesday night, Saturday night, Friday night. The main due dates are going to be Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. That gives you the entire week to work on things. So that's our weekly assignment folders. You'll see that I have a note that says update ends, meaning I've just copied everything from my spring semester, which I know it makes me sound lazy, but it puts everything there. Then I adjust them, change the dates, and change things. So if I have moved things around from semester to semester, I have that opportunity to do so. So I have everything from weeks 1 to 3 updated. I'll be going through periodically, so I'll try to keep things several weeks in advance, but I really don't want you working ahead just because it's easy to get caught up. Or not caught up, but off track. I have assignments that are working on building or scaffolding into the major writing assignments that we'll do, and that will be explained later on what these assignments are in another video. I just want to try to keep these short. Over here on this left side, we have the tool menu. So we have a panic button. This is useful. It's just advice. What do you do if you're missing classes? How do you communicate to people, your instructor, and so forth? What happens if you are late or have missed an assignment? Luckily, we're all doing this online, so there's no lateness or absences, but these are good templates to help you for other courses. And of course, finally, everything's going wrong. Yeah, it happens. You just need to contact me. That's the main idea for all these things. Please contact me, but they do have some templates for proper communication and how to explain some things. So that's kind of important. We have a link to the syllabus on the left, the assignments link. This is the home page. There's a course schedule, which is everything at a glance. This is the last page of the syllabus. So you'll be able to see where we are. There's 4 columns if you don't know how to read tables. This is the week. Right here, the second column is the readings for each week. So you kind of read it like a grid. And then what we'll be doing in class. I know this looks very sparse. Doesn't mean we're not doing anything. There'll be plenty of things to do. And then our major assignments, that'll be due. So it's you know, major writing assignments. And you'll see again that I mainly try to have things due on the same days every week. That way there's no confusion, but will want to check things out because sometimes it does change. We also have a link to the discussion board. It's a direct link if you just want to use that. I don't really recommend it, but if you need to get back to the discussion board to look at something, which we'll be doing for, I think, our first writing assignment, which is the peanut butter and jelly assignment that you probably saw, it's good to just use that. But I also will post the link in the week assignment. These are also not all the way linked or updated with points into the gradebook. So I think once we get down to here, it's not quite connected yet. So those will be connected as we go along. There's a lot of clicking. So while copying and pasting my course saves me some time, it also creates headaches other ways. So I have to make sure these links work and everything. So if you come across a link that doesn't work, please let me know. We also have down here on our left-hand menu, textbooks, readings, course materials, Seagull, that's our little Seagull handbook, and the lessons. So these are also ways to get to the materials. If you want to look at other things within the textbook or whatever, you can do that through here, but everything will be linked in each weekly assignment. Here's some administrative stuff. If you need to email me, you can do so. Click on Instructor Users. Quick and easy way to email me. You are also able to email other students or the class. Please keep everything course related. Do not harass anyone, send unsolicited things, no sales pitches or anything like that. If you do that, you're abusing it, and if somebody is abusing it, I hope you will let me know so we can report that person and I will remove these features. Let's see other things. Office hours, this is going to take you to the Zoom, and you'll have grades. The tools, don't worry really about that, but grades, this will show you the grade book, and then faculty information. This is just basically everything that you already know about me. And then there's other outside links as well if you need to get to the regular Edison email. So that is the course. I hope it is easy to navigate and you'll find it useful, but please contact me if you have any questions. I will get back to you as quickly as I can. So thank you very much.